Okay, so this is our judge, and she is judging this class, and what they do is they take the boxes, they have the birds in them and rearrange them so that starting from left, they're ranked starting from left down the line to the right. There's more than one class here. I think these are regular greens. And then starting right there, we have gray, greens, or olives, whichever that is. So, so there she is. Oh, she's moving this one. Marking a little tags. And then this guy comes along over here and puts little spots on their tags that show what place they are.
Use it.
So there we have first, second, and third. I'm going to zoom way in and see how much we can see.
Do you know where she's from?
A nice hefty bird.
Tennessee.
I didn't hear her talk.
Two. A little
I
smaller.
was down to one of the shows and
Nice
had a guy
mask.
from down south.
There's number 3. Look at that.
He said, well, you ought to be able to tell. He had a strong southern drawl. I said, well, I know it's down south now, but where? He laughed at me. He said, well, you ought to be
Can't tell
able
what
to tell.
she's doing there.
No, I like it. I now have 2,200 miles on it now.
Okay, I think this is 4th and 5th.
I know when I talked to him.
Well, I had 14 when I started.
He goes, she arranges them, and he goes in and writes down and sticks stickers on it so
No,
we can
since
see
the
what
beginning
she's
of
doing.
May. 3 months. And I just went over to 2,000. When did you get yours?
About a month ago.
Hi.
Okay.
Not even that.
So I'm doing good.
I'm just going back and forth between one.
Yeah, some kind of situation.
That's 25 miles each
So
way.
somebody wasn't an ADS
I go to the town the other day.
Am I sitting in somebody's special chair here? Sure.
We're just
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't.
Oh, here.